Hello my dear students. Today I will explain you the writing section which includes informal letter. So let us begin by the definition. An informal letter is a letter written to family or friends. It's not a formal letter. We do not use formal words, but this letter has a prescribed format. It can be used for different purposes. So what's the format of informal letters? The first one is sender's address, then we write date, then receiver's address. Let's take the example and apply these points on the letter. We have to write a letter to friend telling him about the gift you got from your parents. So first is sender's address. The first address which we will write will be of sender. Then we are writing the date. Date should be in the format which you are seeing on the screen. Like first is the number, then month, and then year. Then we write receiver's address and then salutation. Salutation means the way we are going to write to our friend, like dear friend. In the case of a formal letter, we write salutation as respected ma'am, right? In the case of a application to principal. Then number 5 is the body of the letter, and then we give a complimentary clause. In this case, we have written awaiting reply, means waiting for your reply. And then we write your friend, and we write our own name in the end. So after complimentary clause, we write our name and do our signatures. Coming to notice writing, notice is a short and formal piece of writing which is used by individuals. Most of them are schools and educational institutions and organizations when they want to convey to a larger group. So these points are written as per the format of a notice. Let's apply them in the notice. Here we are talking about a lost notice. So first step is the name of organization, which we have written as Montfort Word School. Second is we write the date on the top left, again in the same format. It should not be 14.5.21. No, it should be 14th 14 May, 2021. Then third is we write notice in the center of the page, and then we write appropriate heading. So in this case, the library book has been lost, so we are writing library book lost. Then we include the body, or we write the body of the letter, in which we include all the details of the thing lost. And in the last, we do our signatures, means we write our name and class and grade. So this in case of a lost notice. Here I said we write all the details, but the case is opposite in case of found. In case of a found notice, all the things are same, but the thing which you have found, we do not give details for it. Like in this case, lunch box found. I have found a lunch box in the school playground yesterday during recess. Anyone who has lost a lunch box can contact me. See, the next line will tell you why, the reason why we don't give details of a found thing. The owner can take it back after telling all the necessary details about the lunch box. So we hide the details so that the owner can tell us, and we can return the thing back to the genuine owner, the original owner. Then here is another notice for organizing something. So in this case, it's a drama competition for grade 6 and 7. Here we have to give all the details, when, where, like, and the format remains the same. A drama competition will be held in Tagore Stadium on 20th May 2021. Students of grade 6 and 7 who are willing to participate should assemble for a trial on 17th May 2021 in the school hall at 10 a.m. and report to the teacher in charge of the drama club for the selection. We are writing our name in the end and the designation, like Vidyut, Cultural Secretary. So this way the format remains the same and the headings get changed.